Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw e-commerce events from Shopify into GA4 with no code. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To withdraw e-commerce events from Shopify into GA4 without coding, start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. Navigate to the online store section found in the left sidebar. Click on Preferences to find relevant settings for your store. Scroll down to the Google Analytics section. If you haven't already, create a Google Analytics 4 property in your Google Analytics account. Copy your GA4 measurement ID, which will be necessary for the connection. Return to your Shopify dashboard and paste the GA4 measurement ID into the appropriate field. Next, head to the Settings section at the bottom left of your admin dashboard. Click on Checkout to access checkout-related settings. Look for the Order Status Page section. Scroll down until you see Additional Scripts. In the Additional Scripts box, you'll need to insert the GA4 e-commerce event code. This code will allow you to track key e-commerce events like purchases and refunds. You can find example GA4 e-commerce event tracking snippets in the Google Analytics documentation. Ensure you customize these snippets as needed to fit your specific tracking requirements. After inserting the code, save your changes by clicking the Save button. Now, go back to your Google Analytics account. Use the debug view in GA4 to send test events from your Shopify store. This will help you confirm that events are firing correctly. You can simulate a purchase on your site to generate test data. Check the debug view to make sure events such as purchase are properly recorded. Once confirmed, your GA4 property is now correctly linked to your Shopify store for e-commerce tracking. Monitor the real-time reports in GA4 to further ensure everything is functioning as expected. Congratulations, you've successfully set up no-code e-commerce event tracking from Shopify into GA4. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.